What year did you start real estate investing?
Yeah, so 2006 was the first year that I bought my first property, and then from there, we bought another property in 2011, 2013. 2013 is the first time I bought my true rental that I
Okay.
didn't live in, before me, because I didn't have a lot of income, a lot of money up front. With the VA loan, I didn't have to put any money down. And so we did that to buy our first few houses, and then I bought my first true rental property for $25,000 in Birmingham, Alabama, and it was rented out for $750. And so I kind of started down that process, and then a couple years later, we sold that in another house that we had purchased there and started flipping. That was the seed capital that we used for the down payment on our first flip. And from there, the journey's been amazing to the point now where, we've owned over 100 plus units in real estate right now, and the portfolio is over $10 million. So it's definitely been a blessing and kind of scaled up fast here.
Congratulations on that. No, that's amazing. So let me make sure I understand this. You're still active duty, aren't you?
Yeah, yep, still active duty, 17
So
years.
you've got a full-time job and you're still doing real estate investing, and you've gotten to 100 properties at 10 mil.
Yes.
Boy, I guess a lot of excuses went out the window for a lot of people watching this, aren't they?
Yeah, yeah, and it really comes down, and I always do like, man, how do you find the time? Because I got a beautiful wife and 3 kids, and I'm a present husband and a present father, and I don't miss soccer games, and it comes down to having your time prioritized, having your calendar. Because I always tell people, you show me your calendar, you're gonna show me your priorities, and it's just
Yeah.
a matter of keeping the things that are most important, those things that you regard at the highest level for, is your values, your goals, and making sure that everything that you do with your time, the small amount of time that we have allotted, that we're always living on purpose. We're always doing things that kind of get to that bottom line, whether it's serving our family, serving our business, or in my case, serving my coaching clients, or centered around real estate.